In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business email with Hostinger. Washpa business email tutorial. A business email is more than just an inbox. It's a professional address tied to your domain, which builds trust with clients and keeps work and personal messages separate. To set one up, you'll need a domain name. Many hosting plus plans, including Hostingers, include business email services and let you create multiple addresses under the same domain, which is great for teams or role-based mailboxes like info at or support at. Let's walk through creating your first mailbox. In your Hostinger dashboard, go to the top menu and select Emails. You'll see a list of your domains. Find the domain you want to use, then click Manage on the right. Next, choose Create Email Account. Enter the mailbox name you want before the chat symbol. Set a strong, unique password and click Create. That's it. Your business email is live and ready to use. If you prefer to manage messages in one place, you can connect this mailbox to an email client later, but we'll keep today's focus on the essentials inside Hostinger. Now, there are a few powerful features worth enabling to make your inbox smarter. First is forwarders. A forwarder takes messages sent to your business address and automatically sends copies to another inbox, like a personal account you check more often. To set it up, click Create a Forwarder. Choose the business address the emails will be forwarded from, then enter the destination address, click Create, and you're done. Right next to that, you'll see Catch All. This is especially helpful if someone misspells your address. A Catch All mailbox receives messages sent to any mistyped version at your domain and routes them to the address you choose. Click Create Catch All, select the mailbox that should receive those messages, and save. You'll capture more inquiries and avoid lost opportunities. Next, set up an email alias. An alias is an alternate address that delivers to your primary inbox without exposing your main address publicly. Click Create Alias, select the primary mailbox, and enter the alternate address you want. Messages sent to the alias arrive in the same inbox, keeping things streamlined while maintaining privacy. Finally, use automatic replies for times you're away. Click Create Automatic Reply, set the start and end dates, and write a clear message letting senders know when you'll be back and how to reach your team in the meantime. Save it, and it will respond for you while you're unavailable. And that's the core setup. You've created your mailbox and learned how to use forwarders, catch-all, aliases, and automatic replies to get more from your business email. If this helped, consider liking and subscribing and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.